Hey guys, it's Debbie and I'm going to do a hair dryer painting. Can you tell I've been painting? Okay, so the room is covered in paint and now I'm officially covered in paint too. Anyways, if you guys watch these videos that other people make, I'm just curious, are there a lot of other people who do a lot of spilling? Because I went to work on this last painting, and as I went to move my canvas down a little bit, I'll give a spit wash. This is bugging me. Anyways, I went to move it down just a little bit, and like two of my paintings tipped over and drained halfway out as quick as it possibly could get out of the cup. And the other one I lost just a little bit. But I have so many paint mishaps. I was just wondering if there's other people who are doing these poor paintings, or maybe you, because I sure do it a lot. Anyways, I had a lot of fun the last painting myself apparently. And this time around, hopefully I keep more on the canvas than I did on my table and on my self. This is why I can't imagine if I ever sell this house. This room is going to take about 30 loads of coats of paint to get all the paint off of some of the walls. This back wall where I paint my big paintings at, the big, huge ones, there's plastic on the wall there. So, but I need to hang up some new. Yeah, I need to get some new plastic now that I'm looking at it. So, okay. Let's get started. Pull you down. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to try really hard not to spill anything. And I've got this metallic blue here. Oh God, is it pretty too? And it's just folk art metallic blue. Sorry, you can't really see. And I've got some of this glitter. I am sorry about my paints. I have no idea how people can keep things so clean, but I guess that's not my main concern. And now I just dropped some black into, this was a metallic silver, which has a drop of black in it. Like it really needed that. Okay, and so, and this is Joe Sonja. I always say it. This is the end of a tube of a metallic-y, a whitish green color. I don't know if you can still get that one. And this is also that, Joe Sonja. I don't know, the tube was sitting here. But it's a copper color. And these are all mixed with glue and Floetrol, and then water. So it's 2-part glue, 1 part Floetrol, and the other part water to get it to the thickness that you like. And I happen to mix up the different thicknesses that I like. So, anyways, today, let's see, did I leave out something? I don't think so. I'm hoping, because this is so dark, I'm not sure if I have enough lighter color in this dark stuff, but we'll find out, won't we? All right, what do I want to start with this time? Yeah, maybe we'll start with this metallic gray. There, that's got quite the swing around, don't it? What would go with that one? Oh, we need some on this corner, don't we? Oh, yeah. This party's getting started, guys. I can see it now. There is no, I have no silicone in any of the paints. Okay, this is the green toned one. That last one was the one with the glitter. All right, I'm going to use that one up. Can't really, maybe you can tell a little tiny bit. All right, let's give this. We'll see what's going to happen this time. I used these colors in another painting, and it was beautiful. I thought so. I'm doing it again. Here we go. Oh, you know what I forgot to do, guys? Oops. That's why it ain't moving. I forgot to put a bunch of paint around the edge. So we'll have to doctor up that spot right there. Crazy stuff like that happens. Okay, if you've not done this before, you need a nice little ride for it to ride to the side. I usually call it Uber ride, but no, that might be a little, now it might move a little better. I know, I thought, geez, oh Pete. And you know what I noticed with doing that little bit? I'm just smoothing it out just a little bit. Probably didn't need to do that, but I did. Let's put a little bit here, more here. See if this looks a little different. A little gray. This is going to be a different order right in here. I don't know if it'll be that noticeable, but we'll find out, won't we? Okay. I might as well just add a little. I don't want to use all this up in case I want to come in and add a little bit of more color in some of the areas. So try to take it easy on that one. All right, let's see what we can do now. We'll start over here. See how it rides much better when I didn't have enough paint on there. I don't know if you can see, but remember it wasn't moving so easily. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's got some beautiful sparkle. I love all the little cells coming up in there. Just a little tiny bit. And that's all I want is a little tiny bit. And if there's something you see that you need maybe a little bit more of, you know, you can add a little bit of that paint. Like I think I might want to put a little bit of white in here. What I could have done too to make sure it spreads a little thinner and goes out, well, I could have add a little bit of water to it. But okay, let's see it there. Oh, you guys, I don't know what it is about these colors, but I love them. So I would say you could do something similar if you didn't have the same colors. This is a pretty easy one to get. Get your hands on this. It's metallic blue. I can't read it, but I think it says teal, and it is really pretty. But I've mixed it up with paint. I would say with this paint, it's probably half and half with the glue and the float. Okay, the glue mixture. So it's half paint to half the glue mixture. Remember, the glue mixture is 2 parts glue all and 1 part Floetrol. Okay, so I love these colors. That's all I can say is I'm really, I've been waiting, hoping to find something I really like to do some big pieces in. And I think I'm going to do a few more of these kind of paintings and try to figure out, well, hopefully once my store opens up near me, I can go get a few more of these, the paints and experiments with these. But I would say you could do the same thing with getting a nice coppery color that you like. And if you want the metallic-y white, you could do the same thing. Yeah, I don't think you have to have the same exact paints. But, in fact, I know you don't. But anyways, oops. I wanted to touch that edge a little bit. I'm just halfway debating if I want to come in. You see the white right there? If I want to come in and give it a little touch real quick. A quick little touch. Real quick one. With the hairdryer on cool. Oh well. I left it alone. What I didn't like about that was just a kind of like, compared to the whole rest of the painting, it was quite a large amount of white in one spot. So I'm happy, guys. I am happy. Last time I was futzing with them, and I moved one of the last ones quite a bit, so I don't really want to do that. I love just a little tiny bit of cells in there, and I will definitely show you on another video when this dries how it dries up. And anyways, thank you guys for stopping by. Bye-bye.